Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Quntis 400 LED 2-meter fairy light Christmas tree lighting with ring and 10 garlands. Each garland has 2 meters, of course. IP44 outdoor proof and of course indoor too. In a warm white color. Power-operated Christmas tree lighting for indoor and outdoor, with 8 modes for Christmas decoration and, of course, other decorations too. 3 minutes. A Christmas tree has never been decorated so fast. Attaching the fairy lights to the large Christmas tree is a great challenge, and the dismantling after use is a great challenge too. Cable tangle? Too much time? Christmas was saved with tree lighting with ring. And the attachment is so simple. We have to place the ring over the tip. We loosen the cable ties and let the strands down. And the disassembly is awesome too. We roll up the individual garlands from bottom to top and remove the ring with the chains. And the Christmas decoration is for 1.8 meter to 2.7 meter Christmas trees. The Quntis fairy lights for Christmas trees have a ring, diameter 9 centimeter, 10 branches of 2 meters and 5 meter cable. 400 warm white LEDs with 2100 Kelvin are distributed over 10 dark green strands, and the distance between the LEDs is 5 centimeters. This Christmas tree lighting is suitable for trees of different heights. With higher trees, we can put Christmas gifts under the tree. And at lower trees, we can drape the lowest light on the branches. The Christmas lighting with 8 light modes and memory function. The fairy lights for Christmas trees flash either at different speeds or provides a quiet and cozy atmosphere with its continuous lighting. So we are well equipped for every conceivable situation. In addition, this outdoor lighting has memory function as long as a flashing mode is set. It lights up in the same mode next time. We do not need to set the light mode again. And high safety and energy efficient class. Compared to other Christmas tree lights out there, the Quntis tree lights with 31-volt low voltage and 3.6 watt has conformably the declarations of CE ROS, CE-EMC, CE-LVD, and short circuit protection. No lead or mercury, no UV or RR radiation. Safe for children and pets. 400 LEDs with a lifespan of up to 50,000 hours do not get hot during operation, which is particularly energy and cost saving. We save over 70% on electricity bill. And the IP44 waterproof indoor and outdoor Christmas tree, through the fairy lights, the protection class of the Quntis lights are IP44 splash proof, suitable for indoor and outdoor use. In other words, we can decorate Christmas trees not only in the room but also in the garden, lawn, balcony and terrace. If the tree light chain with plugs is used outdoor, we make sure that the power supply is absolutely dry. I'm going to make this like this. On the power supply, I'm using a little bit of tape to make this waterproof too. But it's only a little bit, okay? This is my promise. The string length of 10 and 2 meters, okay? 10 times 2 meters. These are 6.6 feet. And the diameter of the top ring is 9 centimeters. These are 3.54 inches. And the power cord is 5 meters in range. These are 16.4 feet. And this is a good thing because it's not good that the power supply and the LED is too short in a short circuit. So it's better of a power cord which is long to place the lights where you like and not because of the power supply. The color of the LEDs are warm white. The warm white color is to chill and relax. It makes a beautiful, little bit orange light in warm white, and this is better to relax and chill, to get a better atmosphere. The color temperature is 2100 Kelvin. This is bright enough. We have the materials of PS and PVC. The waterproof level is IP44. That means you can get it out and make it outdoor. No problem for these LED beams. They are weatherproof. The workplace is so indoor and outdoor. The working temperature is from minus 10 degrees Celsius up to 50 degrees Celsius. These are 14 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. The input in United States is 120 voltage. European and UK is 220 up to 240 voltage. So you can see you can use it the entire world nearly. The output is in the United States 30 volt 6 watt. In European and UK 31 volt 3.6 watt. So that means in Europe and UK it's a power saving thing. We open the package and take out the wires. We confirm whenever the parts are complete before installation and whenever the power supply meets the standards of using the voltage. Then the product belt hanger cannot be cut to use, okay? This is important. We have to use it as one fairy light. And it is enough for awesome Christmas decoration out there. And of course other trees too, as you can see. That is awesome. We have memory function of power supply. The power supply has a memory function. After the power is turned off and the power is restored, it will restore the previous state. We do not operate in packaging. We do not attempt to replace non-replaceable LED bulbs. We do not connect this light string to another product. We do not allow any part to come into contact with excessive heat or naked flames. We keep away from children, of course, because it's not so good, because they can wrap around the body as well. This is awesome and it looks great. This is the Quntis 400 LED with 2-meter fairy lights, Christmas tree lights with the ring and 10 garlands. IP44 waterproof to use it outdoor or indoor as you like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.